Since Southern Thailand is experiencing one of its most severe flood emergencies in many years, with multiple provinces submerged and thousands of residents displaced, the Prince of Songkla University Yai Campus has become a critical lifeline, sheltering evacuees and coordinating aid as conditions continue to deteriorate. As widespread flooding has severely impacted 9 southern provinces, heavy rain over the past few days has cut off many communities, submerging homes and forcing urgent evacuations. The Prince of Songkla University Yai Campus has opened a large evacuation center, currently sheltering over 3,000 people. A halal community kitchen is operating daily, supported by rescue teams and volunteers from across the region. Critical items in short supply include hijabs, shoes, towels, blankets, pillows, sleeping mats, garbage bags, and food ingredients. Donations can be delivered to the Sports and Health Center inside the university and the Thailand Post Office Prince of Songkla University branch. Evacuees seeking assistance can contact Ms. Yawalak at 087-287-8713 or Ms. Da at 098-683-5032. Authorities say the university remains fully prepared to receive more people as the situation continues to develop.